Welcome to the masterclass. This lesson is taught by our friend Mimi. And a fun fact about Mimi is that she was named after the Taj Mahal. Today she is going to teach us how to utilize the AEP website to make online payments.
Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. My name is Mimi Shalash and I'm a network director for WITI, which is Women in Technology International. Today we're going to spend a couple minutes understanding how to set up an account with AEP, also making a payment and potentially setting up auto pay. So if you look at my screen, you'll see just a normal Google search engine. For ease, we're going to type in AEP Ohio. Fortunately, this is a very popular site, so it is actually the first one that pops up, and we're going to select the www.aepohio.com. You'll see here on my screen two really important buttons, the login and the register. I'm going to start by showing you the login because I am an already enrolled member within AEP. But for purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to register a different email address to show you the steps required to set up an account. So I'm going to enter an email. So as you will see, there is a handy toolbar over here that's guiding you through the steps. It is going to indicate to enter your email, to find your account, and then you'll also notice here it's requiring you to verify your address, confirm access, create an ID and password, and then verifying your email. I'm not using a handy dandy toolbar designator, so I'm actually, when I say over here, I'm referring to the right-hand side of the screen. To find your account, you can enter your phone number, and in my case, I will do so. And here it's prompting to apologize that the number I entered does not match my email. That's because I already have an account set up. But normally you would enter your phone number, or you can search by your account number. Your account number is your AEP account number that you will see on your paper statement. Or you can also call the 1-800 number associated with AEP in order to find that information as well. When you verify your address, again, on the right-hand side, it's simply a prompt that will ask you for your residential address. To confirm access, the reason why you entered an email in the first place is because they will direct you to an email in which you must select the URL featured in the email to confirm access. The purpose of this is to avoid any fraudulent registrations or potential hacks that may occur. Therefore, you will be directed to the email that you entered to verify that access. Once you do so, here you'll notice on step 5, the prompt will direct you to create an ID and a password. You'll also notice that most websites require you to enter a password that fits a certain bracket of requirements. Many of them will ask for a special character, a number, an uppercase and lowercase combination. So I do invite you just to be cautious in creating that password and making sure that you follow some of the cybersecurity best tips and practices. The last step will be to verify your email once more, and then you'll be able to just log in, and I'll show you with my information that I already have. And my password that has already been created, that is super top secret, and very difficult to hack, if I may say. All right. You'll know that you're in your account when you can see your name here on the upper middle aspect of the screen. There's a few different features that you can see under My Account, Safety, Saving Energy, and News Information. For purposes of today's video, we're going to focus on the My Account. One of the critical features I'd like to discuss are the bills and the payments, because we know how important it is to pay our bills, right? So here you'll see that it's a pretty intuitive screen where, fortunately, I don't owe any money. But normally you would select the make a payment, and you'll see here how to pay your bill. It automatically populates with your payment date. I'm able to enter an amount. Let's say I want to make $50. You would simply type in that figure. And then here you can select the payment method. So I have my checking account linked because I really enjoy AutoPay, and it helps me stay on track and peace of mind because I don't have to remember to continuously make a payment. However, let's say you wanted to come out of a credit card because there are opportunities to earn points or whatever, financial feature best suits you. You simply click the add button, and then you can select a payment type, so perhaps a credit card. And then you simply enter the name on the card number, the expiration date, security code, and zip code, and then you can nickname it. So you can call it name credit card points, or your personal name credit card, and something fun. But I would just invite you to nickname this anything that's going to be most easy for you to remember. You also have the option to save for future use, much like I did. So that way on the drop down, it immediately showcases, and that's what you will need for the setup AutoPay that we'll walk through on the next slide. You'll click continue. In this case, we're going to cancel because I already have one, and you'll hear it will say return to payment, but we're going to cancel and go back. So again, I entered the $50 amount. I have my checking account entered, and then I would review payment. I'm actually not going to go through with it because I don't want to make a payment right now. So we'll cancel, and we'll cancel the payment. So AutoPay. Again, I'm going to scroll down, and right here you will see manage payment accounts, paperless billing, and then billing and payment alerts, and AutoPay. So AutoPay is about midway through the options, again, that are featured under the My Account page. So let's go ahead and click AutoPay. Now, for purposes of my account, I actually cannot do this because I recently moved, but I nonetheless wanted to show you what the AutoPay screen looks like. You'll go ahead and you'll be able to select the account, and it's a mere 3 steps right afterwards where it's going to confirm the information that we entered on the previous screen relative to our account. So that can be your checking account, that can be another nickname account that you've entered for a credit card. And it's just a few clicks right after that to confirm the AutoPay. You will then also receive an email verification that your AutoPay has been set up. Another great feature with AEP is that every time you are going to have an amount deducted or removed from a credit card or a checking account, it will trigger an auto email letting you know that your bill or payment has been made. So again, it gives you that added reassurance and peace of mind that all is well.